Ever had that moment when your trusty scooter suddenly announces its presence? With the subtlety of a freight train? You know, the one where you turn the key, and instead of a polite "Put-put," you're treated to a roaring symphony that could rival a Harley? Yeah, I've been there. It's quite the experience, actually, and not necessarily a pleasant one. Especially if you happen to be leaving for work early in the morning. And you value the peaceful silence of the neighborhood. My scooter, bless its heart, decided to become a noise rebel. A two-wheeled instrument of sonic chaos. One morning, I hopped on, turned the key, and bam! It sounded like the apocalypse was happening under my seat. The noise was so intense, so unexpected, that my heart nearly leapt out of my chest. My scooter suddenly sounds like a Harley. I thought to myself, a little bewildered, and more than a little concerned. The immediate assumption, of course, was that something had gone terribly wrong. That a mechanical catastrophe was unfolding. So, I did the only thing a sane person could do. I started the bike again, just to be sure. And to further diagnose the issue, of course. And yep, it was deafeningly loud. Neighbors probably thought a monster truck rally had parked in my driveway. Or maybe even a full-blown demolition derby. It was the kind of noise that could wake the dead, and likely did. Time to investigate the source of this auditory assault, to uncover the culprit. Behind this mechanical melodrama, I got down on my hands and knees, peering under the scooter, armed with nothing but my curiosity and a healthy dose of trepidation. The first thing I noticed was, well, I couldn't miss it. Right there, staring back at me, was a gaping maw of rust. Or, in a more dramatic light, a massive rust hole. A veritable canyon of corrosion. Or perhaps, in a slightly less dramatic, but still accurate description, a broken weld on the muffler. A failure point that was now allowing the engine's fury to escape unfiltered. It was a sight to behold, or rather, not behold. A testament to the relentless power of time and the elements. "It's completely rusted through," I exclaimed, mostly to myself, but also to the rust monster that had taken up residence in my exhaust system. The silent architect of this mechanical malfunction, the once sturdy metal, the protective shield of the exhaust, had succumbed to the relentless march of time, weather, and the unforgiving embrace of road salt, which in my part of the world, is practically a corrosive plague. It was a classic case of metal fatigue meets environmental decay. A battle that the muffler, sadly, lost. The muffler, the unsung hero of quiet scootering, the quiet guardian of my neighborhood's peace, had given up the ghost, or rather, given up its structural integrity. It's the part that takes all the heat, the vibrations, and the nasty stuff that comes out of your engine. The relentless punishment of daily operation. So it's no surprise that it eventually gives in, succumbing to the pressures of its environment. Finding that rust hole was like finding a leak in a dam. A small problem that quickly escalates into a major issue. A potential harbinger of further mechanical woes. Now, I was faced with a repair, a replacement, or the delightful prospect of becoming the neighborhood's resident noise offender. The unwelcome conductor of the scooter symphony. The choice was clear: fix it, or face the consequences. The alternative wasn't really an option, unless I wanted to become known as the guy with the ridiculously loud scooter. The one who shattered the Sunday morning stillness. And honestly, I prefer to blend in, to maintain a low profile. So, the search for a new muffler began. A quest to restore my scooter to its former, quieter glory. I had visions of online shopping, mechanic visits, and maybe even some duct tape and prayers. Although the last option seemed less and less likely, the reality of scooter repair, I suspected, was about to hit me like a ton of bricks. Or perhaps a rusty exhaust pipe, a stark reminder of the challenges that awaited me.